What is going on, guys? My name is Eric Smith, the ex-Facebook/Instagram software engineer turned full-time dropshipper, and I'm here to welcome you to nichescraper.com, the software I built for you and for myself to find winning products for your dropshipping, Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, whatever store you have, anything you do with e-commerce. Hopefully this tool will help you. So to give you a little background about myself, I mentioned already, I was a software engineer at Facebook and Instagram 1 year ago. I had never done dropshipping before in my life. If you've ever heard of you or used Instagram stories before, I was one of the guys who helped build that. So 1 year ago today, I first heard about dropshipping. I set up my own store and I absolutely sucked at it. I started doing a little research and I figured out my products absolutely suck. I had no idea what was trending, what was saturated, what had high competition, low competition. I had no idea for myself. So I did what I do best and I started programming. I wrote this web scraper that actually went through and analyzed a bunch of Amazon products, a bunch of AliExpress products, checked out their order history, their transaction history, reviews, Google Trends. It did all that stuff, and it showed me which products would actually be winning, which products would actually have the highest dropship potential. And that is what you're seeing here today. nichescraper.com actually takes that original software that I wrote for myself 1 year ago and actually gives it to you guys in a very easy to use form. And I was actually able to transform my store from losing a ton of money when I was actually working 9 to 5 at Facebook and Instagram, and it turned my store from making maybe like a few $100s a month into making $50,000 a month as of September of 2018. So how can you use it to help your own store? Well, if you're dropshipping from AliExpress, we have some really cool things here. So first, let's check out this product scraper, which is the tool that I was talking about that actually scrapes AliExpress and shows you which products are actually trending on there. Now, if you're currently going on AliExpress and you are going to a product page or you're going to a category page and you're sorting by orders and looking at the top ordered product and actually dropshipping those, stop right now. That's not going to work at all. The reason why that doesn't work is because AliExpress shows you the ranked products over the last 6 months, right? And that is a huge span here. To see a product go from like trending 6 months ago to now, by that time you actually look at it, it's going to be completely oversold, completely oversaturated. So what you want to do is narrow that time down and see which products are the most sold over the last 7 days, and preferably, even better, which products are actually growing over the last 7 days. So which products get more orders every single day. And that's exactly what my product software does for you. It actually goes through, analyzes thousands of AliExpress products every day to show you which ones are growing. So let's look at this page here. You can see a bunch of products. These are all taken from AliExpress, and you can see their order history in this graph right here over the last 7 days. You can see this one on December 16th only got 2 orders, and every single day it's kind of slowly started growing, except for this dip right here, and started getting more orders every day. Now on December 21st, which is today, it has 158 orders. So it went from 7 days ago having 2 orders to today having 158 orders and slowly growing over time. And we also have a bunch of other metrics here. So we show you, the competition score. So the lower the better. Ideally, you have a competition score of like 0 or 1, but anything under like 30 is pretty good. It shows you the Ali score, which is essentially the dropshipping potential. This is the overall score you should look at, which combines growth rate, competition, demand, everything all into one number. So the higher the Ali score, the better chance you have at having success dropshipping this item. So there are literally thousands of products here. If you're already in a certain niche, we have categories you can sort by. You can look at products that are jewelry only or household merchandise, pets, beauty and health. There are just so many here. It's actually crazy how much data you can pull from the software. I still use it every single day in my own store. I'm constantly testing new products. Just jump right into this. Try out a bunch of different things. You can sort by a bunch of different, you can sort by competition, growth rate, recent orders. You can filter by recent orders, so how many actually orders a product has over the last 7 days. You can enter keywords to find. There is just an endless amount of stuff for you to actually research here. So check it out. If you are not dropshipping from AliExpress, or you want actually some other data points to reference before you actually test out a product, we have Shopify products right here. So you can actually scrape other Shopify stores and see what they are selling and what's doing well for them. If you're completely new, this is actually what I recommend. Look at other stores that are doing well, see what they're selling, and imitate. You don't need to copy them exactly, but if they're doing something right, then you should try it too, right? Just to you kind of kickstart it, get you off the ground. If they're selling a product and it's doing really well for them, maybe you should try selling that product, right? After you do a little research and make sure there's enough demand and low competition. So I would recommend going here. You can sort by categories. You can actually see which products were added to other stores in the last 2 weeks. And it's going to show you all the products added within the last 2 weeks on other stores. That way you know which products are completely new, which ones are undiscovered or being tested by other stores. That way you can take them and test it for yourself before they actually get too popular or too saturated. Now we have some other features here as well. We have handpicked products. These are products that we actually go through and analyze ourselves manually. We'll find certain products that have a lot of good growth rate, have low competition, and we'll show you a bunch of cool information such as like Facebook ad targeting examples and suggestions. We'll show you other Facebook ads that people are running for this product to give you an idea of ads that you can run. You can look at the description, you can look at the video, you can look at comments to see social proof to see people like the product. There's a lot of good information here, so let's just take a look at this one right here. Bottle lights are really popular right now. People love decorating, putting these lights in a little bottle, putting them on their windowsill, putting them on the counter. So this is super popular right now. You can buy it for like $1 and sell it for like 17 bucks. So you can get like crazy margins off this. So we'll give you, example descriptions you can add to your own Shopify store. We will give you links to the AliExpress supplier, the Amazon link, a link to the Facebook ad. We can give you links to other stores selling this product, a video URL. So you can see right here, this is a URL of, look right now. So I'm not gonna make you sit there and watch it, but it's just to give you an idea of how people are selling this product. We give you information like engagement score, which is essentially the score of how popular it is on social media. So that gives you, a good indication of, if people want the product when it's being sold. You get order graphs, you get example ad copy, example, ads. Look at this right here. You can see, we suggest targeting people who like lights and also like flashlights or intelligent lighting. So that's something you can try. We definitely recommend testing different variants of these interests that we give. But try it out, keep tweaking until you find what works for you. And we give like audience size, age range, a bunch of different stuff. I'm not going to go through and list every single feature we have here. But this is great to get you jump started. If you have no idea what you're doing, you don't know how to target people on Facebook, definitely try this out. It's a good way to start. For market research, you want to analyze the competition, see what other people are selling. Go here, and it's going to give you a list of the top Shopify stores, and it's going to show you their best-selling items on each store. And you can probably see right now like why that's powerful. So let's go right here. You can see one of the top Shopify stores is fashionnova.com. They have an Alexa rank of 7,000, which is like 6,500, which is absolutely insane. That means they're one of the top 10,000 websites on the entire internet. So they probably make so much money. In fact, you can actually click on traffic and revenue and see a little more information about the store. So it'll take you to this page where we actually analyze certain Shopify stores, and it's going to give you an estimate of how much traffic they're getting a month. This particular store is getting 10.6 million visitors every single month. It shows you the average product price, their estimated monthly orders, and a range of potential monthly revenue that they're getting based off their traffic. So, you can just go through and see, which stores are doing well, which niches might be doing well. You can check out the top products. That way you can try it for yourself. If you have a certain URL in mind, you can type it right here, click search. So there's a bunch of fun things you can do here. Lastly, we have marketing tools. So once you found a product and you actually want to start marketing it, I highly, highly recommend advertising with videos. Videos are proven to perform better than images, like 9 times out of 10. It's absolutely insane how better videos are than images. Obviously, you can have a great image ad, and that's fine. But if you want to make a video, we have this video ad generator, and all you have to do is paste a Shopify link. So let's just go take a URL here from dogadgets.com, which is another Shopify store that I'm aware of. Paste it in right here, click fetch images. And what it's going to do is it's going to grab the images from the product page, and you can select which images you want to be part of the video. You can add a caption to it. You can add background music. You can add a bunch of different options here. And what it's going to do is actually combine all these images into a nice video that you can use in your own advertisement. It's just like the next level up from an image ad. I generally use it when I'm testing frequently because it's a lot of time to actually sit down and make a video ad for every single product I want to test every single day. So I'll just throw it in here, grab the video, test it out, and when the product does well, I will actually purchase the item from AliExpress and take my own videos. But until that time, I will just use this. We're gonna let this video render here for a second. So it's done now. We'll click play. So as you can see, it's kind of like a slideshow with the images. You can add more information like pricing that goes over the image by clicking customize. You can change animation styles, all that good stuff. And at the very end, you can actually add like your own shop now, dogadgets.com, or whatever your Shopify store is, or WooCommerce store, whatever your store is, you can add it here. So that's just a quick introduction of what we can do. There's so much more here, and I highly recommend using it if you're looking for new products or want to grow your store. hopefully that was helpful. You can try it out for free, create a free account. We'll give you like 4 or 5 free scrapes so that you actually get used to the tool, see how it works, and then you'll be prompted to upgrade if you want to continue using it. Let me know if you have any questions. You can contact me. We have a private Facebook group, so you can definitely join that as well. Ask questions about Niche Scraper, any questions you have about dropshipping, and hopefully that's helpful. Good luck, guys. Hopefully you enjoy the software, and I will talk to you guys next time.